it's an application. They are not opening up for that age group. At least have one. They need proper state ADC coordination
and planning.
and planning. That none of us can claim.
How do you look at
First in a review meeting, COVID-19 of the year, ADC area of the year meeting like that. COVID management committee ADC area of the year, Jishnu Devarma, Deputy CM, Chairman, because member Tomo, like the Pura Palestine and Sadi Fika, that was ADC area of the data. Singkanaka ADC area go chini COVID management bisi hamthaya chikhnao te chini borok kabangma vaccine na jagya test khajigya amha singkanaka amang sin ADC state government milibhi singase committee khlaika apani committee chairman chini Jishnu Devarma deputy CM am khaja oro nodal minister sebi am member gitung jotto mili chalaika sing tabo jotto elakao thangai sing report na nai je ADC bisingo chini tiprasara busuk testing khaya kha ba busuk covid effect kha o pura singono analyze khai data collect khai testing salaga chini khrang ba hospital lo chen bang ma chini examination lo kare doctor kham kabang kare or kabang salaiga o samasya salaiga sing nai go chini state government plus ADC sing jori mili samong khai gang lai oboisoi tabo to covid ni somoy obo to kun rashtrapati or oboya o jora sing jotto nang sing helma khai ne state as well as ADC government sing milibina chini COVID ni bagui sing samong khai nai obon hamlai